Man, oh man, I'm gonna tell y'all. So we finally putting in the Y pipe for the Q50 Red Sport. I went with the Megan Racing Y pipe, like I said. Got this bad boy here. Take it out. Give y'all a better look at it. Oh, I think I did. Alright. We will do a comparison. Which one's better? Well, obviously, Megan's better than stock because stock is crazy. Anyway, long story short, I have been working on this car. Let me all right, so check it out. Turn this fan off. Oh man, where's my light at? I don't got no light. Dang. No. So when you're taking the Y pipe off, you have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6 bolts. So 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and 2 back here, as you can see over there. All right. Mine's were 14, but as you can see, my bolts are done. So I'm using an extractor socket to take my bolts off, and it's very timely. So we're doing that, and also after that we got some more hardware. It should be good. Man, what I tell you, ain't nothing always sweet when working on fucking cars, man. So this is where we at right now. Yeah, that bolt is fucking done. Extractor bolt cannot even get on there. I'm gonna have to cut this bitch off. Fun. After all that, I did manage to get all the bolts off besides one. And right now I'm just gonna have to call it quits because it's already like too late. I need to go to bed. Probably call in some reinforcements for tomorrow. Maybe get my my master mechanic in the shop with us to help me take off that one bolt. And yeah. But other than that, hey, we almost close. Unfortunately, rusty bolts are not fun. If you ever have a rusty car, you know, don't do that.
The next day.
Alright, so back at it again. It's round 2, baby. We cutting this nut off using a grinder thingy. Anyway, this last nut, gotta get it off. Y'all remember yesterday I said I had to do the hey dad thing? I had to call my pops, man. I had to call Papa Dakota. Well, what you said? He said, Mr. Brown?
Daddy Brown's here.
Daddy Brown's here.
Daddy Brown.
How long you was here for? 5 minutes?
If
that. 5 minutes. Took that shit off. You know, just because you got all the right tools don't mean you know what the fuck you're doing. I will say that for sure. You want to help me put it on?
Yeah, got you.
Hey, yo, my man. Yes, sir. All right, here's the comparison. Megan Racing Y pipe versus a stock. We're gonna flow more better, boys. Let's do it. Shout out to Megan. Shout out to Meg. The racing. All right. Let's give it a shot.
dry beat.